I wanna show you how to add animation to objects in photo by Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, you just need to duplicate your image. Hold Alt and drag it above. Select the duplicated image, go to the opacity and click on the pen tool. Start drawing an outline around the object that you wanna animate. As soon as you're done, go to the scale and increase the value by 30%. Also change the value by mask feather to 75 and expansion to 25. Click on the stopwatch icon by position and move the picture to the beginning, to the point where you want that your animation will start. Move few seconds ahead and click on the stopwatch icon of new location. Let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.